Hello everyone, I'm Shashank Mishra from Ganitaki Academy, and today we are going to answer the question, what is GRE? Now about GRE. GRE or Graduate Record Examination is a test conducted by ETS or Education Testing Service. It is the largest non-profit test conducting organization based in US. Now where is the test conducted? It is conducted across 21 locations all over India, but you can also take the test at home. Now, who is it for? It is for undergraduate students who want to pursue further educations either in the form of masters or PhD. Now, when can you appear for the examination? It is held almost all throughout the year, but it is heavily recommended that you take the examination approximately 2 to 3 months before the admission process starts. Because as the application process starts, you will get busy in that and will not have time to prepare for the examination. How do you appear for the exam? You have to register yourself on the official website of GRE. Now something more about GRE. What is the cost of examination? The cost of exam is $205, or when converted into Indian rupees, it is 15,300. How many attempts do you have? You have 5 attempts in a year, with each attempt with a gap of 21 days. The best score is then sent to the university, but in total, you can give it n number of times. Where can you apply with your score? You can apply it to the most prestigious universities of Canada and USA. Now, how long is the exam? The exam is about 4 hours long, with half an hour for each section and 10 minutes optional break. How do you send your score to the university? Now you can send your scores to 5 universities for free. You have to enter the code of the universities after your exam gets over, right in the exam center. But you have an option to send the scores to n number of universities with a small charge. Now there are 4 parts of GRE exam: verbal, quantitative, AWA, and few breaks. The verbal section tests the student's ability to grasp the information, process it, and find the connection between the tone of the sentence and the options which are given. Now, this is generally tough for Indian students, but with enough practice, you can definitely clear it. Quantitative. Now, quant section analyzes the fundamental mathematical skills and the understanding of elementary concepts of class 10th and 9th without the trigonometry questions, but and also assess ability to reason and solve questions. AWA or analytical writing assessment. Now this involves 2 kinds of essays: analyze an issue and analyze an argument. Both of these essays are for 30 minutes and you can write as much as you want, but you have to be clear and concise. Breaks. A candidate gets a 10-minute break after the completion of section 3. And you can use the washroom or you can eat food in this break. You also have the option of 1-minute break after each and every section, just to gather your thoughts and focus on the next section. Now, points to remember. Number 1, GRE is an adaptive test. This means that initially, both for verbal and quant, you will be given a moderately difficult section. If you answer most of the questions correctly, then the subsequent section will be more difficult. If you answer most of the questions incorrectly, then the subsequent section will be slightly easier. Now, how does this make a difference? If the subsequent section is more difficult, then there is a possibility that you can get full marks in that section. But if the subsequent section is easy, then there is a certain cap on the total marks which you can fetch out of the exams. Now you must remember that verbal and quant are independent of each other and do not affect the difficulty of the respective sections. Number 2, GRE test generally starts off with AWA section. Now you have to write 2 essays, each for 30 minutes long, and that will be the first 2 sections of your GRE test. Number 3, there are 5 sections in total for verbal and quants. Now this can be in the pattern of verbal, quant, verbal, quant, verbal. or else quant, verbal, quant, verbal, quant. Number 4, experimental section. Now, out of these 5 mentioned sections, one experimental question will be present. Now, you will not know which one of them is an experimental section. Number 5, total marks. Now, GRE carries a total marks of 340 and 6 marks for AWA. Verbal. Now, verbal carries 170 marks with about 20 questions which are asked in 30 minutes. Number 7, quants. Quants again is out of 170 marks, 20 questions, but in 35 minutes of time. And in these 5 extra minutes, students generally do get options to go back to the questions and check if there is any anomaly in their answer. Number 8, AWA. Each essay is for 6 marks, so that comes to a total of 12 marks, but that is then scaled down to 6 marks. Number 9, break time. Now you will get a 10-minute break after the third section, that is 2 essays, verbal, quant, and then a break. Number 10, break used during the exam. Now one can take a break at the last 10 minutes of each section, but the timer won't be stopped if you take the break. And in this time also, there will be a security check in case you use the washroom. Number 11, practice, practice, and practice. Practice is the key to get 340, the golden score. Number 12, university code. Now you have to remember the university code, as you have option to apply to 5 universities right after the examination. You cannot carry chits with you, so you will have to remember the university code. The services that we provide at Ganitagya Academy. We have 4 steps in this case. First step is that you appear for a sample test. With the score that you get, you will get to know where you stand and in which sections do you have to improve the most. Number 2, there will be live classes and online classes which will be uploaded, which you can use for the entire of the subscription period. These will help you clear all the doubts and any kind of questions that you have. Number 3, practice. We have a large question bank available with us, from which enough practice can be done so that you get the golden score. Number 4, tips and tricks. Now, as we know, hard work does go a long way. It will help you get 95% of what you want to achieve. But for the last 5%, you do need some smartness and some tricks. Now, here at Ganitagya Academy, our professional teachers are going to tell you each and every trick so that you get the best score that is possible for you. Our experienced and distinguished faculties promise to provide you with the best guidance from the best source with the cheapest price to make your dream a reality. Among the faculties, we have me, Shashank Mishra. I gave my GRE in the year 2019 and I got a score of 325. I got 161 in verbal and 164 in my quants. I am an electrical engineer from a top tier university, and through my qualifications, I got admits from University of Illinois Urbana-Champaign, Virginia Tech, and University of Wisconsin at Madison. Now my students have gotten into prestigious universities of United States of America and in IITs. I have taught them GRE verbal and quants. I believe that each and every student is capable of getting more than 160 in GRE verbal. I want to attack the verbals and clear all the fundamentals and basics. I want to teach them in such a way so that any kind of question that is given to them, they can definitely clear it. Next, we have Hitesh sir. Hitesh sir is an IIT BHU alumni. He is going to teach you quants. He has 15 plus years of experience and has numerous students who aspire for GRE, GATE, CSAT, and other competitive exams. His students have produced excellent GRE scores and are admitted in University of Chicago, Urbana-Champaign, National University of Singapore, and over more than 100 students under him have actually received admits in IITs in India. Hitesh Sir's basic motivation is to make students understand the basics and the most fundamental concepts of a topic. With enough practice and the fundamentals cleared, the student can answer each and every question which is posed to him or her. Hitesh expertise lies in quants, GRE aptitude, engineering mathematics, and PhD level mathematics. Okay, Nitya Academy is available at multiple sources: WhatsApp number, Android app, YouTube, and Instagram. Also, we are available on ganitagyaacademy.com. 340, here we come. Achieve the impossible with Ganitagya Academy. Thank you.